Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to compare two of the latest processor releases, the Intel Core i7-11700K and the AMD Ryzen 7 5700X. We'll be evaluating them in categories such as performance, compatibility, and price. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel to keep up with our latest tech reviews and comparisons. When it comes to performance, the AMD Ryzen 7 5700X really shines. With 8 cores and 16 processing threads based on AMD's Zen 3 architecture, this processor is capable of delivering ultra-fast 100+ FPS performance in the world's most popular games. The Intel Core i7-11700K does have Intel Turbo Boost Max Technology 3.0 support, but it falls just short of the Ryzen's impressive performance. Both processors have similar compatibility, but the Intel Core i7-11700K does have an advantage in terms of motherboard support. It's compatible with both Intel 500 series and select Intel 400 series chipset-based motherboards, while the AMD Ryzen 7 5700X can only support PCIe 4.0 on X570 and B550 motherboards. However, this category is a tie because both are compatible with the latest motherboards available. When it comes to price, the AMD Ryzen 7 5700X is definitely the winner. It's priced at just $183, while the Intel Core i7-11700K is priced at $277. However, it's important to note that the Intel processor does come with PCIe Gen 4.0 support and Intel Optane memory support, whereas the AMD processor doesn't. Overall, both processors are impressive and each one has its own strengths and weaknesses. If you're someone who prioritizes gaming performance, the AMD Ryzen 7 5700X is a great choice. However, if you need PCIe Gen 4.0 support and Intel Optane memory support for tasks such as video editing and content creation, then the Intel Core i7-11700K is a better option. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, leave us a comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and comparisons.